Hey, blessings, fierce butterflies. It's Coach Renee. I'm back with another video. As always, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you're looking for some good old inspiration and some practical life advice, then you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being a part of the Fierce Butterfly Nation. Now, I need all of you to make sure that you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Well, here it is. It's Monday, the start of the week. And your girl got up feeling blah, blah, blah. Oh, I hate when I be feeling that way. So, anyway, good thing I had a doctor's appointment today. So, that kind of like forced me to get on up out the bed. So, I had a doctor's appointment. That went well. And then when I left the doctor's office, my favorite store, well, one of my favorite stores, Dollar Tree, is right next door. So, listen, when I tell you I love Dollar Tree, my sister Brenda, hey sis, my sister Brenda started me, she got me hooked on Dollar Tree, right? It's your fault, sis. She got me hooked on Dollar Tree. And I used to be, not that I was against Dollar Tree, I just never went into Dollar Tree. And she was like, girl, you're missing out on something. You need to come on and go in Dollar Tree. So when she came down, she lives out of town. So when she came down, we went to Dollar Tree. And oh my God. When I tell you, I'm not hooked on phonics, but I am hooked on the Dollar Tree. My God, let me tell you, y'all see, if y'all don't shop at Dollar Tree, y'all sleep. I'm telling you, y'all sleeping on Dollar Tree. That is the bomb. So anyway, I went into Dollar Tree, and I had to pick up some items that I had ran out of or was running out of. And so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and run in there real quick because I had to hurry back home because Toby, my dog, he is actually outside now getting a little spa treatment. The mobile spa truck comes around. When I tell you, he has been so dirty. And it's my fault. He can't bathe himself. He can't get himself the treatment. It's my fault, but I don't even know how long it's been since my baby had a bath. So, of course, you know, when they go too long without a bath, they stink, you know? So he's been back there in his room, and he's used to hanging out wherever I'm hanging out. So lately, I've been like, until your appointment get here, you got to stay in your room. So he's been locked away in his room. And I'm telling you, I could barely look in his face because, oh, man, I'd be like, oh, I feel like a bad pet mama. I did. But that's okay because it's getting fixed. Now he's out there. And so I hurried up. When I picked up the items I knew that I was going in there for. So I wasn't in there just like browsing. I knew what I was going for. So I picked those items up. And, of course, I want to show them to y'all. There's a whole lot of items, child. Again, Dollar Tree. You can't just go pick up one thing. You got to grab a lot of stuff. So I always love my sister who's down here, Sandra, the both of us, because now both of us are retired, and at least twice a week, we hit up Dollar Trees and we go to different locations. So we done hit almost all the Dollar Trees in the area, a little bit out the area. So we Dollar Tree hop. And one thing we love doing, we love picking up these bags. So when you finish shopping, you don't want to walk out the store toting all them bags. So you get these. And these are some really cute and handy bags. So, but anyway, yeah, it's a nice saying. I always like to get something inspirational. This one is, let your dreams bloom. So, I can't wait. She just had surgery. So she's in recovery mode, but I can't wait until she's done because I had to go in a Dollar Tree by myself. And plus, when we go together, she like, I don't feel like driving. You driving my tree. So guess what? Let me gas up, baby, and I'm on my way. And honey, when I say she treat whatever I want. But I'm not a user, so I only get what I want and what I need. So anyway, let's do this. Here is mainly household stuff that I ran out of. I love, these are the Gain, the dryer sheets, and I love Gain because it has such a nice scent. And so I pick up some of these. I mean, they're $1. It's only 15 in there. So what I do, I buy a big box when I go to like Winn-Dixie or Publix or wherever I go. But then I also like to keep these, so when I run out of my big box, I have those for backup. And then I got gotta keep the house smelling good. So this is actually my favorite scent, which is papaya and mango. So of course I got me a good amount of those. Can't go wrong with in the tea. This, let me tell you, this right here, the Morning Sky one. If you want your house smelling nice and fresh and clean, I mop with it. I put it in a spray bottle. I wipe in the windowsills with it. And you can wipe off your counters with it. But the one that Morning Sky, the bomb. The bomb. More of my house fresheners. This scent doesn't bother me. I used to love to get the papaya mango plug-ins, but of course that's much stronger, and because of my lung, I had to stop. But when I tell you I love papaya mango scents, oh, they give me life. So, but I didn't know that Dollar Tree had these. So when I was browsing today, I was actually picking up another scent. I think it was like peach. And then I looked and I saw this one. I say, papaya mango, what? So of course I got me a good amount of those. I got another lint brush. Keep those. Of course, some hand soap. Gotta make sure your hand soap stay on deck. I mean, it's $1 and it's pretty. Stay on straws. Gotta get those straws. What is this? More for the bathroom. I normally put those in my bathroom. Little scents. Hawaiian scents. You put them in your bathroom and you just keep it there. Got me 2 of those. 2 bathrooms. 2 scents. Okay. Couple of bars of soap. I was running low and I know I'm not gonna go to the food store. But I'm gonna show you something that what is that? Chapstick. Yeah. My favorite gum, spearmint. Spearmint. Let me tell you, this is what I truly go to Dollar Tree for. The foil sheets. This is what I go there for. These things here, they normally, I like to get this brand here. Of course, the Reynolds wrap. For me, they're the best. And these normally have 25 foil sheets in there. I like using these because this saves me from using the big Reynolds wrap that I cook with and cover my food when it's in the oven. These sheets here I normally use for when you're warming up something in the toaster, or when you're wrapping up something to put in the fridge, or when you warming up something in the oven. I use these sheets, and that helps me to save when I need my heavy duty foils. I don't run out. So this is what truly draws me to Dollar Tree right here. I love these things. They're $1. You get 25 in there. The day I went to a different Dollar Tree, these are foil sheets as well. I've never used this brand here. But that's not true. Yes, I did. That's Alumina. I've used this brand before, but not in the foil sheets. But it comes with 5 extra. It's 30. So hey, can't lose. But this is what I truly go to Dollar Tree for. And yeah, and of course we never leave Dollar Tree without getting us a new bag again. That's the cute bag. I love cute bags. And it's helps. So study walking out of the store dragging along all those bags. Just get you a cute bag and you can use it over and over and over and over. Now the key to that is to always make sure you keep 1 or 2 in the car. So if they don't have a cute bag that you want to buy, you always have one, but we never remember to take it, so we always end up buying more. So that's what I got today from Dollar Tree. I also want to show y'all, hold on, guess what I finished? Okay. Bam! Sister girl is finished her project. That was quick too. Yeah, I finished my butterfly. So again, it was fun doing it. Of course, I did it in exactly a week. Of course, I wasn't working on it all day, every day. If I had time to just work on it and finish it, I could have actually did this in one day. But it's colorful, it's nice. What I'm gonna do is get rid of all this excess canvas and probably add a hardboard or something to the back of it. But I just wanted to show y'all that I have officially finished my butterfly. But yeah, that's all. That's all I have. I don't have anything to talk about this morning other than I was feeling blah. I'm waiting on my Toby to get finished. It's going to be good hanging back out with him out here again. Oh my God, I can't believe I let him go that long without a bath. But that's okay. His bed and stuff is now in the dryer. So by the time they're finished out there, that'll be finished. And of course, he's going to run wild for a quick minute. And yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul and my completed butterfly with my latch and hook. And so sister girl is gonna fold some laundry today. I'm gonna cook some dinner, probably fry some fish, and I'm just gonna, oh, and I'm gonna do some work on my workshop that's coming up in October. As soon as that's out, we should be putting the word out on that real soon, like in the next, either this week or next week, we'll be officially putting the word out on that. And yeah, Mama said there would be days like this, and this is one of them days. Blah blah blah. But anyway, I love y'all. Thanks for letting me show y'all my little Dollar Tree haul. I can't wait till my sister feel better with her ankle. Well, actually, she starts rehab today, so we may be heading out to Dollar Tree. She said this week. So I'm going to tell her to wait till next week to make sure she's good, she's okay, make sure she doesn't do anything to hurt her ankle. And that's it. Until my next video, Remember, let's be good to ourselves and let's be good to one another because it makes the world a much happier place. Hopefully my spirits will pick up. There's nothing wrong. Let me say that. There's nothing wrong. It's just one of them days where you just like blah, blah, blah. Anyway, love y'all.